Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
That came from your lungs.
Don't touch me. Don't flick and touch me.
But it came from your lungs.
Don't worry about my
really
lungs.
Nice.
I got lungs of steel. Let's tell them what we making.
Don't lie to them.
I got lungs of steel.
The other day you just said you're a nice man.
I have lungs of steel. You know. Anyway, jump to the video. I have lungs of steel.
Totally.
I can hold my breath for 5 minutes.
Let's go try it. Alright guys, while he holds his breath, I'm gonna let you know what we're making. We are gonna make some delicious meatloaf today, guys. Oh yeah! How you get up? Guys, I'm on Wow! It's only me cooking, I guess, today, guys. So, without further ado, it's about to go down. Guys, want to first and foremost say thank you for subscribing to our channel. Staying with us. And if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell, guys. Everybody who's new, welcome. Guys who's always hanging, thank you so much. We have great things in store for you today, guys. Some meatloaf. So I'm going to jump right into the ingredients, so make sure you're paying attention, all right? Because it's a lot. So first and foremost, what we need to make meatloaf? Some ground beef, right? How we're gonna make meatloaf without ground beef. So we have some ground beef here. We have some sliced Italian bread. We have eggs. We have some mixed pepper. We have onions. We have our homemade seasoning, guys. If you don't know how to make homemade seasoning, Chef Trini's gonna drop that over here or over here, over here for you.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
No, I'm not.
You're not a boss.
I'm still catching my breath. No, I'm not.
Nobody told you to hold your breath.
No.
All right. He's gonna drop it.
No, I'm not.
And we have some garlic. We have some fresh parsley, milk. All right. And that's for the meatloaf. We also gonna make a delicious glaze to go with this delicious meatloaf. And for that glaze, you're gonna need Worcester. I always say this wrong.
W sauce.
W sauce.
There you go.
Garlic powder. We have some ketchup, some tomato paste. We have some ground mustard.
Dry mustard.
Dry mustard. Brown mustard, same thing.
Totally.
It is.
Okay.
What I say?
Come on, let me go.
Let
me go.
Some sugar, some brown sugar, and some paprika, guys. And to substitute, if you don't have some of this ingredient.
Sorry. Slow down.
If you don't have all this ingredient,
there you go. There you go.
And you would like to use.
Wait. I'm sorry.
Homemade spice.
If you don't have what?
Homemade spice.
If you don't have who?
Homemade seasoning.
No, it's called what?
Woman, you're on very dangerous ground here. I'm going to lose my temper. I am going to lose my temper.
You ever got 2 licks?
Green seasoning. There you go. Carry on.
Green seasoning or sofrito.
That's not sofrito.
You can use Creole seasoning, guys, or you can use Italian seasoning.
That's not sofrito anyway. That is West Indian green seasoning.
Right. But, and he's going to drop the link.
But carry on.
So, these are everything you're going to need.
First thing we're going to do is saute our veggies. We're going to put our onions in first. We're not going to cook these too long. You just want to get a little brown. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Saute these veggies. So, we got our onions, we got our garlic, and we got our bell pepper. So I'm going to leave this for a few minutes until it's nice and brown. I'm going to add our peppers. Smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. And then last, we're gonna add our garlic. So I'm gonna leave this for about 2 minutes, and I'm gonna show you the next step. While our veggies are sauteing, I'm gonna remove the crust from our Italian bread. Yeah, you don't want no crust in there. If you want to get a knife, cut it off, but it's simple. You're gonna cut it off, and you're gonna break these up into little pieces. See that?
I see that.
So I'm gonna do that to all 4 slices of bread, and then I'm gonna show you what's next.
Oh, okay, we broke off all the bread.
I'm not recording this shit. What the fuck? All right.
Listen, stop playing. I'm doing a scene.
Tell them the scene.
We broke off all the
Ah, man, get the fuck. Give me back my sexy hands. All right, guys. So what we did was we cut. I took off all the ends of the 4 slices of bread. I boiled them up into little pieces, and now we're gonna add. How much milk is this, Giggles?
half a cup.
Half a cup of milk. You're gonna pour this in the bread, and you're gonna let it sit just for a couple minutes to absorb that milk. All right, chef and chefettes, we're halfway through. Did y'all see how long I held my breath? Michael Phelps don't want down on me. I'm an Olympic swimmer. I can hold my breath for. I'm not gonna do it again. But anyways, guys.
You didn't faint though. You fainted on the floor. Like you was knocked
That
out
wasn't me.
for like
That wasn't
15
me.
minutes.
That was not me.
That was you.
That was not
Who
me.
was that?
You ain't got no proof. Anyways, guys, so we sauteed onions, garlic, and peppers. We got our Italian bread soaking in milk. We're ready to get the ball rolling. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your milk-soaked bread. You're gonna add that to your ground meat in a nice bowl. Now we're gonna add our seasonings. So here we got the onions, the peppers, the garlic.
Oh, that looks
It
nice.
smells so good.
It does.
We're gonna add our green seasoning. Like I said, if you guys are too lazy to make our green seasoning, you can use Creole or Italian. But trust me, this is gonna taste better. Ain't nobody making meatloaf with this Caribbean green seasoning right here.
You dropping the link?
Yeah, I dropped it already.
Oh, good.
I dropped it.
Good.
It even smells good. We're gonna take our egg. You know, egg keeps the meatloaf together. This is 2 eggs right here. A dab, not too much, just a dab of W sauce. You know that Worcester sauce. Just a dab of W sauce.
Can you say that?
Don't worry about me. And last but not least, parsley. I'm gonna save a little of the parsley for garnish, so you don't want to put all. This is half a cup of parsley.
Chef Trini, no salt and black pepper?
I'm not done.
Okay, my bad.
No jumpy my scene.
I'm not jumping.
Wait your turn.
You said that's it. You
No, I
said
didn't.
last.
I didn't say that.
You did say that.
Rewind it. I did not
That's
say
what
that.
you said.
I did not say that.
All right.
And guys, now
Woo.
you put your salt.
That's black.
I mean, you put. You know what? You see, I ran out of oxygen, and my brain stopped working. So I had no oxygen to my brain. So I'm a little discombobulated.
Go ahead, put your black pepper.
Salt. Don't try to play me. You're always messing up my scene.
You do it to yourself.
Let me finish this video.
All right, please.
That's why I like you in the kitchen when I'm cooking, because you always messing it up. A lady don't belong in the kitchen. You know where you belong? You belong in the garage fixing the car.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Changing the
Shut
oil.
up. I don't even know how to do that shit.
Shoot, you gotta learn.
All right, let me come see how this. It look nice. Look nice.
So that's the salt.
Wow.
I'm put a little more black pepper because we like everything with a little kick.
That looks
If
good.
you don't like it with a kick, don't put too much. But I like a kick. All right, guys. So all the ingredients are added. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this up, combine all the ingredients, and mold it into a nice meatloaf. So stay tuned.
Look at our meatloaf. We molded it into this beautiful glass dish.
We?
You right, I.
Me. Carry on.
I.
Okay.
You put it in this bowl?
Let me go.
Guys. So, ignore Chef Trini.
The meat is running. Let me go.
I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes.
50 or 15?
50 minutes. Chef Trini, you just like to sabotage my scene.
No, not what it is. I'm just making sure.
No, 50 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, we're gonna glaze it, and we're gonna put it back in for another 15 minutes, guys.
50?
15, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
Chefettes, I hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button already because this video is a banger. All right, so we threw our meatloaf in the oven. It's gonna cook at 350 for about 50 minutes. And while that's happening, we're gonna make the glaze. So we're gonna take our ketchup, our tomato paste. Basically, you're gonna add all the ingredients together. Our tomato paste, our brown sugar, dry mustard, garlic powder, our paprika. You know we need a lot of this because we like everything hot. So we need a lot of the paprika. Little salt, not too much. You don't want high cholesterol.
You did good.
Black, what was that?
You did good not mixing them up. You're so smart.
Black pepper and a dab of W sauce, not too much. So you add all those ingredients we just mentioned and you're gonna mix it up. This is gonna be your glaze. So once that meatloaf comes out after 50 minutes, you're gonna glaze it once, put it back in for another 15 minutes, and then when it comes out, if you want more, add some more glaze. All right,
Chef and Chefettes, it's been 50 minutes. We took our meatloaf out of the oven, and now we're gonna glaze this bad boy. So watch what I'm doing. We're taking a little bit of glaze.
Yeah, think fast.
All right.
Think fast.
You see how he be trying to stop us out my thing?
No, because you over there glazing it with a knife.
This is
A baster. Or a cake baster, or whatever you want to call it. Sheesh.
What kind of chef you don't even know utensils?
So tell me what it's called.
Don't worry about it. So listen,
Tell me what it's called.
guys. So we are going to
Show them what you were using
glaze.
before.
I'm gonna show them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna glaze this right here, nice all over. Okay, then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. When it comes back out, if you want, you can add some more glaze.
God, thing looking good.
Absolutely. You know what? I'm gonna put just a little bit more, because it looks so damn good.
It does look good.
When it comes out, add more gravy if you want. If you don't, slice that bad boy up, chop it up, get you some utensils, and dive in.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh yeah. That's it. Simple, easy peasy, guys. Make sure to comment below, like, comment, and subscribe like he said. And we are out.